Lightning and Friends, Francesco Bernoulli's Crash. Enjoy. Welcome everyone to the World Grand Prix, the first race of the World Grand Prix. We are at the Dirt Hill Speedway. I'm Rick Anderson alongside my good friend Yoshi the Turtle for today's great test of speed. So right now, Francesco Bernoulli, one of the fastest competitors in today's World Grand Prix, is having the lead right now, followed by Carl Francesco and Lewis Hamilton. No, you don't. How dare you! Hey McQueen, what is it, Nigel? Why are you not in World Grand Prix mode? Oh, right, yeah, the paint job didn't really fit me very well, so, yeah, I'm in my normal self. Well, looks cool. You race for Rusty's, your number is 95, and your sponsors are the Piston Cup, Octane Gain, RPM, Revolting, and Clutch Aid. Well, that's cool. Yep, it is, and too bad you're getting beaten by the most 7-time Piston Cup champion in the world. Whoa, McQueen pulls ahead of Carlo Venoso. No, you don't. Whoa, looks like McQueen fell back to third place, but moving his way back up into second. There they go over the dirt section. Oh, no, I'm bad on dirt. Ow! Sorry. Whoa, Francesco on the move. He grammatically selects himself up into 7th place. And he's looking for 6th. Oh, Jeff slams the door on him, but Bernoulli maneuvers right past him and tries to work his way back to the top spot. Bernoulli, what is it? Coming to the pits, you need a tire repair. No, I need to catch up to Lightning McQueen. Bernoulli, it's too risky. Come on. No. I'm gonna catch up to Lightning McQueen. I need to beat him. You have severe tire damage from the dirt section. You need to come into the pits now. Be quiet! I'm trying to work my way to the top spot of this race. If you don't go into the pit soon, your tire's gonna pop and you're gonna end up crashing. Be quiet. Look, my tire doesn't even look damaged. It looks fine. Oh wait. Oh yeah, sorry, I read it wrong. My mistake. My mistake. It's okay. Help! Bernoulli! Bernoulli! No! No, 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 no. Bernoulli? Oh my gosh. How did that happen? To be continued, or I don't know, just whatever.